Okay, ready for this? Did you know that traffic crashes are the leading cause of death for teen drivers? More teens die in traffic crashes every year than suicide, homicide, alcohol, and other drugs combined. And the real tragedy is that crashes in general are almost 100% preventable. Let's see what the statistics say about teen drivers. Although drivers 15 to 20 represent less than 10% of the licensed drivers in the U.S., they are involved in almost 20% of all fatal crashes. Adding teenage passengers to the vehicle greatly increases the crash risk for new drivers. With one passenger, the fatal crash risk nearly doubles. With two or more passengers, it increases fivefold. Approximately 5,000 teens die each year in crashes. According to the AAA Foundation for Traffic Safety, over half of motor vehicle crash deaths among teenagers occur on weekends, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Teens are twice as likely to crash at night, considered 9 p.m. to 6 a.m., as during the day. Over 1/3 of teenage motor vehicle crash deaths occur between 6 p.m. and midnight. Nearly 2 out of every 3 people killed in teen driver crashes are people other than the teen driver. Often, teens become the family chauffeur. That means younger siblings are also at this higher risk of injury as passengers in teen crashes. These statistics speak volumes and only reinforce the importance of taking advantage of the time you have now to prepare for the challenging road ahead. Okay, you've just reviewed the statistics, but why is it that teens crash? Overall, lack of driving experience is why teens crash, and they especially have difficulty with visual search habits, distractions, speed management, and space management. Visual search habits. This is knowing when and where to look to identify the potential risk found in everyday driving. New drivers lack the driving experience to do this effectively. If they can't spot the risk, they can't avoid them. Distractions. Distractions are anything that takes the driver's attention away from the task of driving, such as adjusting the radio, talking or texting on a cell phone, eating food, or interacting with passengers. Speed management. This is knowing what speed is appropriate for the driving conditions. Research shows that teens frequently fail to choose an appropriate speed for conditions. Space management. This is the ability to judge how much time and space is needed to maneuver safely. Teen drivers tend to have difficulty judging this. However, those aren't the only risks teens face. Don't forget about the dangers of alcohol, driving at night, fatigue, not wearing a seatbelt. The list goes on and on. We've identified reasons why teens crash, but what can you do about it? Please click the link below, Graduated Driver Licensing.